Hi guys, Shep from Tool Connection here. This is not my normal van, this is our commercial vehicle tech van. Within this van, it's set up with tooling for the commercial vehicle sector. Let's take a look inside. So guys, within this van, we have a whole range of our commercial vehicle tooling. A range that's increased significantly over the past few years. Let me show you a few of the items that we have in the van today. To start off, one of the more popular products we have on the van is this air dryer removal tool, which is fully adjustable and will do left hand and right hand rotation. It allows you to remove and install air dryer cartridges without damaging them. This is a great tool for any commercial fitter. So within this section of the van, we have a range of tooling here for diesel engines, whether it be fuel priming, seat cleaning, injector extract, we have all the tooling there for that. Moving down here, we have a range of crank rotators. So this allows you to go into the flywheel of the vehicle and rotate your engines. And also some of our axle sockets. This is a BPW one. This is one of 4 in the BPW range. And also down here, we have our Volvo injector sleeve removal tool. And a brand new product in the range here, a cylinder liner extractor kit, which will allow you to remove engine liners with the block in situ. Now let's move on to another section of the van. So within this area of the van, a lot more products again, all commercial vehicle tooling. Things like slogging spanners, we have the flat type and crank type. These are great for undoing brake caliper bolts. Talking about brake calipers, we also have a caliper bush removal and installation tool for the Knorr-Bremse style calipers. Ball joint removal tools, 4 of those in the range, from this style to the big scissor style. This can be used hydraulic or manual type. Moving down to the bottom here, we have our spring eye bush tool, hydraulically operated, different size caps for different size bushes, ideal for removing and installing shackles bushes. And also here we have our range of track rod end, tie rod end removal tools. 3 of these in the range now, one for the tractor units, one for your 7.5 tonners and one for your light vehicles. Also on this van, we have a range from our Connect Workshop consumables, things like our fuel line repair kit, hose repair kit, and also some of our brake consumables as well. Everything we do in our consumable range also has its own part number, so it can all be replenished as and when you use it. So if you are a commercial motor factor and are interested in booking this van to take to see your customers, please get in touch. The details are on the screen now. So not forgetting our other 5 Laser Tools Tech vans that are available for booking across the UK and Ireland from now. Please get in touch for those bookings. And don't forget, we also have our hybrid and electric vehicle tech van ran by my colleague James Staveley. If you would like to book that van, get in touch with James. His details will be on the screen now. And for the body shops out there, we also have our 3 PowerTech vans, which are fully equipped for demonstration days. They can be booked from now also. And not forgetting the latest Body Matters leaflet, which is also running at the moment. If you would like some copies of these sending out, please get in touch and we will distribute them for you. Another way of seeing our latest products is by getting in touch with one of our sales reps. All of our Laser Tools reps drive vans that are fully equipped with the latest Laser Tools products. Not forgetting, our latest edition of the Tool Saver is out on the 1st of July. If you are a motor factor or an end user and would like a copy of these, please get in touch now. All of our tech vans are fully equipped with PPE to ensure the safety of ourselves and your customers. And finally today, we're going to take a quick tour of Tool Connection HQ here in Warwickshire that has remained fully operational throughout this period. So here we are in one section of our warehouse. As you can see, we're fully stocked with new items arriving daily. And here we are in our service department where all of our service and warranty inquiries are dealt with. So here we are in the buying department where purchasing is all sorted out. And over here, in this end of the office, we have our Connect department with our main man, John. Say hello, John. So here we are upstairs in the nerve centre of the organisation, the marketing department. And of course, an organisation of this size depends on its IT department. And finally, here we are in our sales office, where we are ready and waiting to take your calls. You may have noticed throughout the tour that all offices are set up to ensure social distancing was adhered to. So guys, that's all we have time for at the moment. I hope you've enjoyed watching over the past 14 weeks. I'm going back on the road now, but I will be back in due course. But in the meantime, as always, stay connected and stay safe.